Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. As you see in last tutorial, we draw this chess piece in AutoCAD 2D, and I promise that we will convert the same piece into 3D. So you can see the 2D model. I will just copy this to one side. We will need that to convert it to 3D. Okay, and I will draw one line in the middle from here up to here, and I will trim this half of the section which we don't need. And this unnecessary line I will delete. Here also this is no need for that, so I'm going to delete this. Now also you can see here that is a separate arc and line, so we need to join that all of these full section to become as a polyline. So now it is joined, and also I need to just delete this one and make a separate boundary for this here only, and I will move this also from here to here. Okay, now we have command revolve or AV, enter, and give the access from here to here and with the 360-degree. Okay, if you go to isometric view, you can see it is like this, and now we will go to realistic view. Okay, here for the base, if you see here this base, okay, this section we need from here to here, it is 26 as we see here, but this we don't have the dimension for the base, so we'll consider this one as a 30. And we have another command, press pull, just select that here, go down to 15 units because that is the middle, and also from here we will start to up with the 15 units. So 15 to 15 and 15 is 30. So this base we construct with the 30 units. We need to rotate this also with the 3DR command with the 90 units, sorry, 90-degree, and move this one a little bit up. Okay, so it is almost our project is ready. Now what we can do, you can change the color. You can go to material lab also. That is only depending on your own requirement. I will just keep it like this. You can delete these line also, so it will looks good. But yes, now. So I hope you learn something from here. You understand something from here. Thanks for watching, and follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.